So today I'll be showing you how to delete a WhatsApp business account. So the first thing you need to do is simply launch the WhatsApp business app and then tap on settings or go to settings. For iPhone users, all you have to do is tap on settings. If you're using an Android, then you might need to tap on three dots at the top here and then select settings. Either way, that should land you on the settings page. Now here, go to account, tap on that, and then under account, tap on delete my account. And then it says deleting your account will delete your account info and profile photo, delete you from all WhatsApp groups, delete your messages, your message history on this phone, and delete any channel that you created. So go ahead and tap on delete my account. You first of all need to enter the phone number you're using with this WhatsApp business account. Once you type in the phone number, just tap on delete my account. And then of course WhatsApp will say they hate to see you go. Just tap on that. Proceed to delete your account. Just confirm by tapping on delete my account once again. Simple as that. And it takes you back to the main setup page. And that is basically how to delete a WhatsApp business account. Now if you want to proceed and uninstall the app, you can go ahead and do that. But right now the WhatsApp account, or rather WhatsApp business account, has been deleted successfully. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.